Una know say for this channel no ogbonge news I dey carry come for una undiluted. Hey guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode we are talking about Bobrisky. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining the family, please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Thank you. Yes, you heard me. Una don hear say Bobrisky don do introduction. No be smart thing no. Bobrisky came out the other time tell us say he or she want do introduction. Like play he come bring out him boyfriend. They did introduction Bobrisky don't get man. You will be girl. Wetin you dey do? Na the thing why I bring come for una today no be small thing for this life where we dey so. Anyway, we are expecting, after marriage, the next thing now what pikin. So we are expecting pikin from our mommy of Lagos. I wish let's watch their introduction video. See love now. Oh, my love is sweet, but when money enter, love is sweeter. Love is sweet when you are with the right person. See love now. See love in the air. Mommy of Lagos enjoying her life. Moto sha. Hey, it's finished. Gege.